Namaste. Where the mind is without fear and head is held high, where the tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the world has not been broken into fragments of narrow domestic walls. The words are by Sri Rabindranath Tagore. Sri Rabindranath Tagore, as we all know, is a yogi. There are many yogis in India, lots of yogis in India. But these words of Rabindranath Tagore remains us the words of Vedas and the essence it delivers, the essence of Vedas. Because where the mind is without fear and head is held high, when the mind is without fear, then only our head will be high and we will have prestige. When we will have a very dignified or self-esteemed life, when our life is fulfilled with a pride, divine pride. What is this divine pride? Divine pride is that aham brahmasmi, or I am the oneness with the divine energy. So, here in Rabindranath Tagore's these words, we all know that it enhances, it throws light on the Vedas. The connection between Rabindranath Tagore's Gitanjali and Veda. Because with Vedic knowledge or the true Shastra or with Indian philosophy, only you can stay self-esteemed. Only you will be all the fears of life will be gone away when you understand the essence of Veda. When you understand the essence of Veda and Vedanta, you need not have to consult any of the psychiatrists or any other person related to psychology. Because Veda and Vedic science and Vedanta is the ultimate knowledge of science. It is the ultimate knowledge of human behavior, or it is the ultimate knowledge of human life, or it is the ultimate and the utmost knowledge of human science and all the sciences which related to humanity. Because if one person is well versed in Vedanta, he need not have to face any failure in life. He will not have the fear of failure. He will not have the fear of anything. And he can stay with pride and happiness and rejoice, and he can live in ecstasy. Because a person can live in ecstasy only if he is away from fear. Because it is true liberation. A person who understands the Shastras is fully liberated. Even the father of psychology is Sigmund Freud. We all know that if the Shastras or Vedas are not, the Sigmund Freud theory will not be equivalent to any of the Veda Shastras or Vedanta. When we look at Vedanta, we all know that the science and the psychology or the sciences are very low or below this ultimate knowledge, is above everything. When the ultimate knowledge of self is above, all other knowledge are mere and small knowledge. And in those small knowledge, if we have a life full of happiness, there will not be any fear. If you have Shastra Jnana, you will be away from fear and you will have happy life. So, when we are talking about this, that the Shastras, the Indian philosophy and Indian Shastras, Vedas, Vedantas are all above the normal science of normal other sciences. Because it is said that religion is blind without science and science is lame without religion. As we all know, the power of faith is over everything. And if you have Shastra Jnana or the knowledge of self can be achieved only through Indian philosophy. And once you have achieved that knowledge through Indian philosophy, you need not have to fear about anything, because you can face everything in the life, because you are the ultimate knowledge holder, or you are the ultimate knowledge or wisdom. Then you need not have to be cared about the fear of anything in life. As we all know that Shastras, the power of Shastra will liberate you from everything, is that much capable to liberate you from all the barriers. The Shastras have that power, the Indian philosophy has that power to liberate you from all problems, miseries, and every illusions, fear, and everything. Thereby, Rabindranath Tagore told in his Gitanjali that where the mind is without fear and head is held high, the head is held high, and where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the world has not been broken into narrow fragments of domestic walls, where the world has not been broken into narrow domestic walls. Because the world is one community, the entire world is one family, and when one had liberated from all sorts of negative thoughts and he is liberated, he will see the world as one, and there is no need for domestic narrow walls. That is the essence of this Gitanjali and its relation with Veda Shastra or the Vedanta or Indian philosophy. Thank you.